It was time for one last trip in 2020 to the UP. And what better way than with a guided trip with Cindy from Northology. We were already up in Wisconsin filming the last segment of our video for Shut Industries, aka xventure, and it was only a few more hours north to the Michigan border. That was a pretty stressful commercial shoot, so we were looking to relax. We met Cindy north of Green Bay at a Quick Trip, best gas station ever, and followed her north. Everybody going on her guided trip was to meet at True North Outpost. This place has and does it all. Guided trips, climbing, rafting, kayaking, and an awesome store to shop through. After a quick powwow with everybody at the shop, we took a few-minute drive to the land that True North Outpost owns to camp on. This would become our base camp. But to get there was a straight uphill climb. Once you reach the top of this property, you see why they purchased it. It overlooks the Menominee River. From the top, it was just a short drive down the back side of the mountain to a small plateau where we all camped for the night. The next morning was very relaxed. We all got up at our own pace, fixed coffee, hung out, and before I knew it, the snow started coming down, and it came down hard. I didn't know how thankful for our ostrich wing awning and awning wall kit until later that night when we all gathered underneath of it. It was 50 degrees warmer underneath this thing with a propane fire pit. It was time to get going. Everybody was ready, so we headed down the mountain to start our day with a meet and restock at True North Outpost. It didn't take long for Cindy to get us on trail. She was taking us around some of the most beautiful forests lower Upper Peninsula of Michigan has. I had never seen snow this early in the year. We are from the south, but we have never been disappointed by a trip to the north. Beautiful and perfect day of trail riding that we got to finish up with good company underneath our awning. Everybody was from somewhere different. It was great to hear about other people's trips and places they've been to get ideas for future trips. The next morning we had to get back to Kentucky. The rest of the crew went down to True North Outpost to use the climbing wall. We were looking for a nice relaxing trip and this hit the mark on all points. Anybody that follows our channel knows that we love the UP. Wait till you see what we have in store for you next year, as we've been planning one of our larger trips to date. In the meantime, earlier this year, we're going to work on the Trans-American Trail, and we're going to head out west for a few awesome adventures.